Attending your home inspection is highly advised because it provides an opportunity to gain first-hand knowledge about the property's condition. Being present lets you observe the home inspector's process, ask questions, and understand potential issues and maintenance requirements. The home inspector can point out specific areas of concern, explain their significance, and provide insights on addressing them. This interactive experience allows you to become more familiar with the property's intricacies, which can be invaluable in future maintenance as well as making an informed purchase decision. Your participation in the home inspection thus becomes an educational experience that empowers you with the knowledge that can lead to a more confident investment.